Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the camera is not working on Zoom on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select privacy and security on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath app permissions and you want to select camera versus camera access. You want to make sure that's toggled to the on position up here. And then you want to scroll down, and if you see zoom in this list, you want to go ahead and toggle it to the on position as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.